Dr. Marty Nature's Feast is a high-end freeze-dried raw dog food brand introduced to deliver nutrient-rich, premium meals tailored for canine health. Its formulas include clearly labeled meats like turkey, beef, duck, and salmon, along with organ meats and a mix of whole produce such as spinach, apples, sweet potatoes, and blueberries. The food is frequently rated highly, earning 5 stars from Dog Food Advisor, with a nutritional profile of around 39% protein and 29% fat dry matter basis, making it suitable for adult dogs and other stages of life. Many pet owners report positive results, saying it enhances their dog's digestion, vitality, and overall wellness, with dogs appearing to enjoy the flavor. That said, it's priced on the higher side, and because it's a raw-based product, it may not be appropriate for all pets, particularly those with weakened immune systems. As of 2025, there have been no recalls associated with the brand, adding to its reputation for safety. In summary, Dr. Marty Nature's Feast is a reputable, quality option for those seeking a premium raw diet for their dogs, but cost and individual health needs should be taken into account. It's always best to speak with your vet before making dietary changes.